Oh, it's playing.
Take a picture of me and hold it up
It's playing.
to the side. Oh, you suck. That's our gym.
Very fascinating, isn't it?
Not particularly.
No.
Not really.
Makes me sick, actually.
It makes you want to go.
Oh! Not funny.
Okay, I didn't actually mean to literally hurt you, but
It's from here down.
sorry.
It's not arm.
No. The floor is very boring, but my shoes are fascinating. And Amanda's
suck.
pants are ripped
Your
in half.
shoes suck.
Your
I
face. My face is pretty. Hi, world. Hello, world. Ha ha ha.
No, seriously, do not pay me. I'll do another.
I see Shane.
I see Shane too. That was on camera. Where you going, Shane? Interview time. Why are you like raping the
He's
kid?
ticklish.
You ticklish, go tickle. He ran like a little bitch.
Where is he going?
I don't know.
Cassie?
No.
Cassie?
You're gonna videotape me and I'm ugly. Don't
I'm
video
not
me.
gonna retake you.
No.
I want to take a.
Of your mom?
Yes. No. Hold the camera up to the side. Not that. Point it down to me. I'm trying to help you. Okay. Picture the picture of Kelly. How it's at the angle, okay? She's sitting on the chair. She's looking up like that. That's how I want the picture.
Like this?
No, because it's not facing toward me.
Like this?
Down. There we go. Can I see it?
I didn't take the picture.
I know, but I can take it from a picture from that window. You put them in file front.
Do you press that?
File front.
Where?
File front.
Where's that?
It's on the internet. Nicole, you
Oh.
look very pretty. You look very pretty.
I'm recording, so you're probably on tape right now.
Yeah, she's our, what's that word I was gonna call her? Videographer.
What?
For our little show thing. Who's the second person called? Oh, well, interviewing, but obviously.
What the fuck are you talking about? You gotta laugh at
Stephanie.
drugs. I'm recording.
Oh, you are?
Yes.
I got 25. Oh my god, be like Girls Gone Wild.
No, that's great.
What are your boobs like Girls Gone Wild? No. You camera.
Oh my god, let go.
Katie! No!
She's like, no.
What'd you get? I got 13. Well, no, last time I got 25.
I got 13 because I fail.
I couldn't breathe.
There's Shane.
Give Katie the victory. That's right, I want to see it. Stop.
I'm still recording. Go do something funny. That's retarded, not funny. She goes, la, la.
You do something funny.
No, I don't like being videotaped.
Okay, watch this. I can be a go-go dancer.
Do this.
It's
Do it.
It's
Do it.
silent, baby.
No,
He's like, no, I'm good.
party pooper.
Hi, Brian. He didn't.
Oh, that's so close. And then she gets into the camera. My other clothes is like,
Do
really?
you want to change or do you just want to keep video recording?
Oh, let's get changed. I'm gonna videotape it. No kidding. Oh yeah, that I need my inhaler.
The device that's melting.
Oh, give my bag, guys.
Catch. And you got all over the floor.
Whoops. Not cleaning it. I'm gonna stop this now.